Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And in today's intermediate level grammar class, we're going to be focusing on conditionals. So if you already watched the beginner's class on conditionals, you should be able to answer the following questions in the review. And if you can't answer these example questions, go back and watch the first video. This is definitely video 2 on conditionals. So let's go ahead and get started with the review. Then we're going to learn some intermediate level conditionals, test those out, and we'll wrap up the class. Okay, so just a quick reminder, conditionals are sentences with if. They help us talk about facts, the future, and even the past. So let's review the basics. The zero conditional is for facts. If you touch fire, it burns. The first conditional is for future. If you study, you will pass. And the second conditional is for imagination. If I were rich, I would travel the world. So let's go ahead and test how well you can differentiate between those two.
Number 1. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it A. will boil, B. boils, C. boiled, D. is boiling. That's correct. B. boils. Number 2. If I had $1 million, I a big house. A. buy, B. will buy, C. would buy, D. buying. Very good. That's right. Letter C. would buy. Number 3. If it rains tomorrow, we at home. A. will stay, B. stays, C. stayed, D. staying. Very good. Letter A. will stay. And the last one, number 4. If students don't study, they bad grades. A. would get, B. got, C. will get, D. get. Very good. D. get. If you did great on this quick quiz, go ahead and continue watching the video to learn intermediate conditionals. If it was hard to pass this test, go back and watch our first conditional video.
So we've looked at zero, first, and second conditional. Now we're going to look at the third conditional. The third conditional is for the past, for things that did not happen. And let's look at the structure. If plus past perfect, comma, would have plus past participle. Now this kind of chokes up a lot of people. So let's practice. The example shows, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Very good. Next example. If she had left earlier, she would have caught the bus. So that means she missed the bus. Very good. Let's look at one more example. If I had learned Spanish in high school, I wouldn't have to learn it in college. So did she learn Spanish in high school? No, she didn't. Very good. So we use this third conditional when we imagine a different past. Something we wish would have happened, but it didn't happen. Okay, now we're going to look at mixed conditionals. These connect the past with the present. And the structure here is if plus past perfect, comma, would plus verb. For example, if I had studied English as a child, I would speak it better now. I'm sure that's true for everyone. I'm sure you wish you studied English as a child. I wish I studied different languages as a child too. Okay, let's look at the next example. If he had woken up earlier, he would not be late now. That's another good one. One more example. If I started working out in January, I would have super muscles today, being September. That's right. See, the past action changes the present result. And that's a mixed conditional. Okay, let's look at all the conditionals we've learned so far. Zero conditionals are conditionals we use when we're presenting facts. First conditional is what we use when we talk about future possibilities. Second conditional is for dreams or imagination. Third conditional is for past situations that didn't happen. And mixed conditionals are for past plus present result. Let's take a quick quiz and see how well those conditionals stuck to your mind. First one, if it had rained yesterday, we at home. Stay, will stay, would have stayed. Number two, if I were you, I more time studying. Spend, will spend, would spend. Number three, if she had taken the train, she here by now. Be, will be, would be. Very good. Great job, everybody. Now you know all the main conditionals. Zero, first, second, third, and mixed. Try making your own examples in the comments below. And if this was way too easy for you, go on to the advanced class. I always love a challenge. See you next time. Good.